It's still the same thing, which is you always want to lead with your best, most marketable skills. Sometimes for some people, that will be the workshops because there's nothing else. But ultimately, if we have tangible experience, that's what we really want to focus on. And then we can have that as a sort of supplemental skills. Just if you lead with skills, it's sort of like foreshadowing to the employers that you don't have a lot of experience. So the skills section is something that we use mostly on the bottom. We don't want to lead with it because it's, again, sort of foreshadows that we don't have a lot of work experience or sort of more practical experience. But we fill up the resume reasonably until we can fill it up with other things. So you always want to make sure that you have shown an ongoing interest in the industry. Like, one of the things we always say is, like, can the recruiter look at your resume and say, did Ingrid just wake up this morning and realize that she wants to be in the entertainment industry? And so, like, showing ongoing interest and actionable things that you've been doing over time tells a different story. And so you want to be able to do that. So sometimes it's work experience, sometimes it's volunteering. Certainly volunteering is getting more challenging in this environment. And then sometimes it's just showing that you are one that is being proactive as best as you can during the circumstance. And I think you are not going to be alone in this situation for sure.